Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, assembly, and suction test on this EUREKA PowerSpeed Upright Vacuum. So let's jump into the unboxing here so you can see exactly what you get when it arrives. First you get your owner's manual here with a couple different accessories in that package. And vacuum, we're going to test this as well here. And another, this is your Pet Pal Turbo right there. And I'm going to toss these aside. And of course your hose right here. And a couple more attachments as well. And right here, let me see, I'm going to pull some of this out. Doesn't look like there's a ton of different pieces, which is kind of nice, right? And then I'm going to pull out the actual vacuum. Here's the handle itself. I'm going to pull out the vacuum. Wow, and that is it. I'm going to get this out of our way here. And let's see. I can tell you, I already like what I see when it comes to putting this thing together. I've had one similar in the past, so I'm a little familiar with it. Right here, that just clicks in right there. That's pretty easy, pretty simple. And let me see here, we're going to now go ahead and we're going to attach the hose here. So I went ahead and sped this up so you didn't have to watch me stumble through it. Make sure and look at your user guide for full directions on putting it together. The vacuum is pretty much ready to go. It's that easy to assemble. And as far as dumping, you just press this button here and then press that to dump. Really easy, bagless. Flip this up right here when you need to change that filter here. And in my experience, these filters last quite a while. And also, we have bare floor, low carpet, and then 3 different heights for the high carpet as well. And I have a room that I've moved a bunch of storage boxes out of, so the floor is actually a mess. So we're going to put this thing to the test. As you can see, this floor is an absolute mess. So let's put this to the test. Press down here to pull it back, and let's hit power and see how it does. As you can see, it did a really good job. It has powerful suction for sure. Overall, I'm really happy with this. You know, it's lightweight. I like how wide it is as well. Has powerful suction. A lot of different settings as far as bare floor to high carpet. And from here, you can put the cord right on there. Everything fits right in there perfectly. And overall, I'm really happy with this.